Hey everyone, welcome to Codex Digest. Today, I'll walk you through how to update WordPress and its plugins safely. Okay, first things first, you need to back up your site. Seriously, don't skip this. I know it's tempting when you're in a rush, but backups are your safety net. If anything goes wrong, you want a way to go back. For this video, I'll be using Everest Backup. It's lightweight, super beginner friendly, and honestly, it gets the job done fast. Now, if you're not familiar with it yet or want a step-by-step guide, we've already got a full tutorial that shows you exactly how to back up your WordPress site using Everest. I'll drop the link in the comments so you can check that out if you need it. All right, now that the backup's out of the way, let's move on to the next step. Actually updating WordPress. This is where most site owners get nervous, but I'll walk you through it so you can do it confidently, without breaking anything. But before you click Update Now, just a quick reminder. Take a quick glance at your active plugins and theme. Some of them might not be fully compatible yet with the latest WordPress version, especially if it's a brand new release. If you notice a major version jump, say from 6.7 to 6.8, wait a day or two unless you see a critical security fix. Plugin developers usually roll out compatibility updates shortly after a core release. But if you've already tested everything on a staging site, or your setup is fairly lightweight and you've got that backup ready, then you're good to go. So now go ahead and click Update to version 6.81, or whatever the current version is on your end. WordPress will handle most of the update automatically, and it usually only takes a few seconds. Now WordPress has been updated, and then you'll land on a page that highlights what's new in the update. This page is actually pretty useful. It gives you a quick overview of the latest features, bug fixes, and any improvements to the editor or performance. So, before you close it out, take a minute to scroll through. It helps you understand what just changed behind the scenes. All right, now that WordPress is fully updated, let's move on to the next step. Updating your plugins safely. You'll see an option to update all plugins. And yeah, it's tempting to click and move on, but we don't recommend that. If your site breaks, you won't know which plugin caused it. A safer way is to update plugins individually or in small batches. After each batch, check your homepage just to make sure everything still works. Now, you'll also notice that plugins offer an option to enable auto updates. Auto updates are fine in certain cases, like for lightweight, well-maintained plugins you trust. But for bigger or more complex plugins, especially anything that touches your design, checkout process, or membership system, it's best to update those manually. That way, you're in control and you can spot any problems before they hit your live site. And that's it. You're now able to safely update your WordPress site without the stress. Simple, right? It doesn't have to be complicated. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Happy building!